Hi everyone, and thanks for watching CS Academy worldwide educational platform. This is Sabihuddin Ahmed, and now I have brought to you task 2 solution for computer science pre-release for October-November 2017. So now here you can see that the task has been changed to find the next board available. So you can see that what they demand in this task, that means extend task 1 to work for all 10 rowing boats. Use the data stored. That means if you have stored somewhere or if you are reading it from any arrays, for each boat to find out how many boats are available for hire at the current time. If no boats are available, show the earliest time that the boat will be available for hire. So now just take a look to the next slide. You will see that how to store the program. I have already referenced this in task 1, so you can see that. So move on to the next slide. Now here the same declaration of a string of arrays. So now I have stored these values, so whenever the number is issued, you can see that the corresponding number will show any of these messages stored as a boat available or rows, boat rows, and the array name is given as boat rows. So now you can see that these are the messages. You can see and easily find when the number is entered, the corresponding number will show these messages, or for against any entered number which is within the range of these 10 boats. So now you can see the next slide, that is about the solution. Now that is the program flow, pseudocode for task 2. Again I just remind you, find the next boat available. So now you will be taking the input first of all as a boat number. That means input boat number. Now you will be checking the boat number. If boat number less than 1 or boat number greater than 10, then you have to print for invalid messages, invalid entries, or if you have already tracked this problem. So now moving on to the next statement, that is about else. So what you are going to do in else case, that means again let's suppose you are going to just use a loop. For boat count equals to 1 to boat number. For boat count 1 to boat number means, that means the boat count will start till the boat number entered. That means if there are some boats available, if you have entered 10, so that means all 10 boats will be listed or they will be displayed on screen. You can see which boat is available to use at the very moment you are coming to a store. So you're coming to use that thing. Okay, so now you are going to print boat status. So now boats row, boat count, that means the count, the number which will be here in the array of the corresponding number, you will see the boat row will return that row. Next boat count, because you have put it in a for loop, and now you're coming to an end with the statement and if. So I hope this would have made your mind clear about the task 2, that there is just little calculation, and now I hope you will get through in it. And thanks for watching till the next solution comes for task 3.